Welcome back, Trading Fam. This is Trader Z. Trading once more. We're just trying to keep the strategy rolling, trying to prove to you people, trying to prove to you guys in the farm, that the strategy works and everything's going good. So far, look at that practice account. It's getting bigger, little by little it's getting bigger. Um we're just looking at the Euro USD now. It's gone on a downtrend for the past like 10 minutes, so we're just looking on that. We're looking at the Euro JPY as well, and we're looking at the Australian USD. They're pretty good. They're at 80%, so you can make a lot of profit with this coefficient that I'm using, the 2.8. So let's start trading. Let's look for a trading opportunity. Okay, here on the Euro JPY, this looks like it's gonna be a put trade very soon, although we're in consolidation. I'm just following the pattern that has formed, up, down, up, down, up, and now it's supposed to be coming down again. So let's go for it there. Give it a little time, to drop, yeah. Euro USD looks like the trend is about to change, but I'm not sure. It might just take a breathe, it might just take a breath and then come back. So I'm waiting for it to go up. Sorry, go up, touch the 50 line, and then we'll see what happens there, if it crosses or if it doesn't. Here's a good chance, because we're gonna know if it's gonna cross the 50 or not. So space has opened up. It doesn't look like it's gonna cross the 50, so I'm gonna go 52 down, because it doesn't look like it's gonna cross the 50. When I say cross the 50, I mean the RSI line. It doesn't mean that it looked like it wasn't going to cross the 50 RSI line, so it looked like it was going to bounce off of it. That's why I went to the put trade there. I have 45 seconds left on this trade. It looks like I'm not going to win it, so I'm changing my investment from now. Well, JPY is kind of the 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 movements are very frantic, drastic, all of a sudden you just boom, a big movement. All of a sudden it's very it moves very, drastically sometimes. So let's just hope that this is a win, and after this trade closes, the other one will be on under 1 minute. So we'll look at that one too. So this is a win, and we're going to Australian USD. Oh, look at that big drop from where we were. I mean, I'm in profits. So I could sell that for the $1.88, but I don't think it's $1.88. It should be way more than that by now. I think $1.88 is the max you can get out of a trade, you know, on the PL sell for this limited amount of money. So can't get any higher than $1.88, which is very sad, because I predicted that move and it went so big. So Anyway, still gonna win the $8, and we can look for another trading opportunity. Not on the Euro USD. Oh, I should have gone here for another win. Uh, I won that one on the Australian USD, but oh, okay. And it's gone into a downtrend, very big downtrend. So I'm gonna go 954 and wait for the market to jump up and then trade down. Wait for the market to go up a little and then put in a put trade. Yeah, come on, just go up a little bit more. A little bit more. Come on, a little bit more. 870. I want it to go up to like 9. 860. Every time it goes up back, it goes up back by less. Come on, if you reach 900, I can do a nice put trade. Oh, it's going down. Okay, there we go. Put trade, but it looks like it won't last because the RSI is going up now. But let's see. Remember, it's the candles that make the RSI do what it's doing. It's not the RSI that controls the candles. The candles is the controller for everything. So the RSI just gives you a preview or insight into what the market strength is. So let's see if I can recover, because this looks like a loss here, and it's a $28 loss because I forgot to put down my investment. The RSI is staying at a decent level. 1-0, and it's another win for the trader Z. It was kind of worrying that it wouldn't drop back, but I told you if it goes up to that 900 mark. When I mean 900, you see those three numbers behind, on the price, the three last numbers, the ones that change red or green if it goes up or down. Yeah, that's the 900 I was looking for. So it went up to 900 and something, and then I did the put trade, and then it just dropped like a stone in water. So, well, it didn't drop that hard, but it did drop far enough for me to win. Okay, here's another trading opportunity. We're waiting for the next candle. We'll go back to $10. Yeah, this looks like it's going to hit the 50. It's gonna bounce off of the 50. So did I put my time? No, I didn't put in my time. 9:57. Let's give it 2 minutes. Let's see, will it? New candle was supposed to form. Why didn't it form? Oh, I guess this is the new candle. Okay. Yeah, should have taken the trade. Wasted all my chances at the trade right there. Too dangerous now. If I do the put trade now, it's gonna be too dangerous. I should have done it from before. But the thing is, with this pattern, the way the RSI has been behaving, I really and truly thought that it was going to break the 50 and go up. But it bounced off of the 50. It didn't even touch the 50 and it's gone down. So maybe I put in 59, 959, and put in a put trade here. Okay, so it's finally decided to break the 50, making my trade look like an amateur trade. So I'll take this loss, look for another opportunity elsewhere. This green candle looks too strong. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. You see how much work that green candle has done on the RSI? Extreme work. It's practically, yeah, you see the next one doing another extremely good job. So we're gonna see if that strength is like artificial strength, like a breath, like up here, you know. So we're gonna see if it crosses the 50 just to drop again. Not a lot of movement. Gonna check back on this trade. Wow, big loss. Change my coefficient, go back to Euro USD. When the candles are this big, normally means that it's gonna drop. Just looking between Euro USD and Euro JPY. Just checking on my trades that are in already. I think the trend is due to change here. It's been a good downtrend, you know, 9:23 to 10 o'clock. You know, it's been a good downtrend, so I expect that to change. This is looks like another loss, and that's looking like a loss too. So, but let's see what happens. This one's pretty close, so it might dip. This one's pretty far, but JPY candles move sporadic. They move all over the place. So we got our first red candle. Well, started off red. It's looking good for us, especially it's the last candle. Looking good on the two of them. Let's stay like this. Okay, one win, one loss, and we have one more trade here that looks like another loss. So Trend never changed. Going with another put trade here, and another put trade here. With 12 seconds to go, this is a loss. Near 16 minutes into the video, we're at a small loss. Where we don't have any profits yet. This is gonna lose as well. That's gonna lose as well. Oh Lord, we're in a lot of losses here. So I need to do 28 times 4 and then multiplied by coefficient. Let's see if we can win back our money. Gone into Going into consolidation there. Okay, we have a little opportunity here. Maybe we can win back some money. Candle is getting really weak. All right, we got a little fortunate on the Euro JPY. Let's hope it stays there. Red candle in our favor. Euro USD we're still losing, and Australian USD looks like we're going into consolidation. Yeah, so there's not a lot of market, there's not a lot of space in the market for the price to move. Okay, so another win and another loss. Still not in profit. This one here looks like it's gonna touch the 50 and bounce off of it and go up. This one here looks the same, like it's gonna touch the 50 and go up. So two big trades, two big trades. I hope I don't get two big losses. Even if one of these win, I'll be in profit, but if the other one loses, then I'll still be in loss. So I need the two of them to win. Yeah, that's kind of like falling off of a cliff and grabbing one string to save your life. Somebody throws one string to save your life and you actually grab it and then you actually save your life. Yeah, that's what is happening right now, because this red candle is not in my favor. Going into the last minute. and the two of them look like we're losing. Oh no. So let me just fix my coefficient from no, multiply that by 2 and then multiply that by 2.8. Last 10 seconds of the trade, hoping for a miracle. None looks like it's in sight. So I've doubled up on my coefficient. It's very on my investment. It's very high now. Two big losses. What am I doing? See how the next candle forms. I can't trade on this candle. Mm, it's too big. It could offer a reversal, or it could bend the Bollinger line and go down. So let's see what happens. Looking on different market. That's Euro JPY we're looking at with the loading bar. This is getting weak. And I want to go in the next trade like in the next minute. I don't want to give it any more time. I want to get the trade right. Excuse me. This looks like it's gonna go up in the next few candles. Went to the put trade there. The red candle before this one looked very weak. So I thought it was gonna go up. We're into the last 30 seconds of the trade. It's going down. Setting the coefficient. More investments. It really looked like it was gonna go up. Another loss. Markets look dead now. This candle is so weak. Another loss. A retracement. Retracement will help us. Retracement will save us. Just believe in retracement. It will save us. Looking good. It's looking good. It's looking good, but we have 2 minutes left. One and a half minutes left. So, Trader Z, I don't want to leave this video on a loss. I want to win on the last trade, then say my outro, and then go, do other things for the day. So, very, very busy person. So, let's hope that this stays the same. Continue on your downtrend, continue on your merry downtrend, and make me win back all of my losses that I've lost today. I've lost a lot today. The fam must be like, oh, Trader Z sucks. Yeah, but no matter how much you suck in trading, retracement will save you. And if your account is strong enough, your retracement can be very huge. So no matter how much you suck at trading, just follow the retracement, follow the retracement. We built this strategy for pros and people who are also in the middle of trading, not total beginners, but you have to know a little maths, you have to know a little graph system and projection. You watch the tutorial videos on YouTube, some of them are good. You take the sense from the nonsense and you put the sense in your head, and then this is what you get. Retracement How many times has retracement saved me, y'all? It's like my tool. So there we go. Win back all our money plus profit of 3,000 and odd, which is 300 and odd, you know, if you change back all the decimal points and everything. So big win for Trader Z on the video today. So all I can say is this is Trader Z. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, share. If you want to support me, the PayPal link is in the description. And I'm out.